Hello and welcome back into the channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Taylor and today we're going to be going over the company called Stickr Co. It's a company that I've done 2 videos on previously, and they've been getting a lot of comments and questions about the company, how it works, how much you make, how much it costs per month. And so this video is going to go over all of that. Hopefully I can answer all the questions that I've been receiving. And if you guys enjoy it, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. But I've been getting quite a few questions about kind of if it's worth it, how much you're making each month. So hopefully this can answer all of them. I guess let's just jump right into it. So to begin, I paid $7.99 for the membership, and then I did the double revenue. So basically whatever I make, I get double. So it just kind of doubles it. And that was $29.99. And then I did the premium package as well. Basically, if I need a new sticker, I can get it at any time, and I don't have to pay an extra couple bucks for the shipping. They just ship it to me for free. So that was nice. That's $19.95. I've had to replace it 2 or 3 times now. So that's pretty nice, $19.95. And then I did the affiliate program for 15 bucks. I figured, what the heck? I'm already doing all of it, so might as well. I haven't received anything from that, so that one was a waste. So overall, I spent $72.93 to get started with this program. And just going over so far, I would say it's not worth it to be a part of their program. You don't make nearly as much as they're promising. In the videos that I watched, they were promising you'll make $500 a month. This will be a great way to earn lots of money as just a side income for not doing anything. So I figured, oh, what the heck, why not? I'll give it a shot. So I paid $72.93, and as you can see here, in the 4 months that I've had it, I've made $18. So it's definitely not worth it. I would not, if I could go back, I wouldn't do it. So for those of you that are watching this, I guess you can decide for yourself. But in December, I was paid $10.87. But every month, even if you do submit a picture, you get charged $7.99 just for their membership fee to be a part of their company and to be have a sticker on your window. You get charged $7.99 a month. So I think that's kind of a hoax and kind of a ripoff as well. Like, I'm advertising for your company. Why am I paying you to advertise for you? But that's just how it works, I guess. So I was paid $10.87 minus the $7.99 monthly membership fee. And I've gotten some questions about if you get that back if you submit the picture. You don't get that back. I'll even put some screenshots up here of them taking it out of my bank account. You don't get it back. So there's that clarification. So month 1, I earned $2.88. Just absolutely amazing. Like, that's a lot of money. January, I was paid $14.07 minus the $7.99 fee. So January, I made $6, a little over $6. Like, it's getting up there. And then February comes along, paid $12.05 minus the $7.99 fee. So I was paid $4.06. So again, just so close to $500. Like, it's ridiculous. And then last month, March, I was made $13.69 minus the $7.99. So I made $5.70. So I could go to Wendy's and get a $5 biggie bag. So, I mean, if that's what you're into, like, that's what you're into. But overall, 4 months, I've made $18.72. It's not worth it. So if you're looking in to get into it, hopefully this answers a lot of the questions that I've received. But some of the other questions is, like, it doesn't matter how much you drive. You can put it on your car and stick it in your garage. And as long as you send in a picture every month showing that it's still on your car, you'll get paid. You don't have to drive around at all. If you have 10 cars in your yard or whatever, you could sign up the membership fee, $7.99. You could just do that, forget all the rest of it, and you can put it on 10 cars. And as long as you submit a photo every month, then you'll make the money. But it doesn't matter how many miles you drive, you're not going to get any more money. And then the food gift cards. So along with each month you get that money, you get $75 in gift cards to local places. I haven't used any of the gift cards because they're two like little no-name places that like you have to buy an entree and you can use the gift card for something else. So there's lots of little kind of hidden things that they're trying to sweep under the rug with this whole thing. So that's why I'm this close to canceling it. I don't think it's worth it anymore. I've lost money. So for those of you that are looking out there, once again, I wouldn't do it. They are liars. They promise this much and you get just this little tiny bit. So that's about the food gift cards. And another person asked if you can put more than one on your car. You can only put one on each car. But like I said, if you have more than one car, you could sign up for multiple cars. But you'll have to pay a $7.99 membership fee for each individual car. So hopefully that answers a lot of the questions. And if you guys want to, go check out the previous video. I'll link it up in the card and I'll put it down in the description below. So if you guys would like to, go check that out. It goes over like my honest thoughts and reviews on it. So hopefully, like I said, hopefully this answers your questions. If you guys have any other questions, make sure to put them in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys don't have any other questions, make sure you put them in the comments. Obviously, I can't answer them right here because we're not on a live session. But if you guys do have any questions, make sure you put it in the comments down below and I'll try my best to get them answered and to do some more research on it to find out more about the company and how we can kind of go around this whole situation. So hope you guys enjoyed it and we'll catch you guys next time.